Today we're building the ultimate hot weather capsule, one that fits into a single carry-on without sacrificing style. I've been there too, arriving at my dream destination, opening my suitcase, and realizing nothing works. Why is packing for hot weather so hard? This time I gave myself a rule: only one carry-on, only pieces I'll actually wear in the heat and humidity. In this video, I'll show you how to pack smart, how to build a capsule wardrobe that's elegant, lightweight, and practical. You'll see how to style 10 plus outfits, how to pack a hat without crushing it, and what to wear on the plane to save even more space. And yes, you can still look incredibly polished with fewer pieces. Let's prove it. Before we get into the good stuff, let's talk about the carry-on. We're working with a bag that's roughly 22 by 16 by 9 inches. Not exactly generous. Most airlines limit it to somewhere between 15 and 22 pounds, which sounds fine, until you realize you have to fit clothes, shoes, toiletries, and your entire idea of vacation style into it. Here's what needs to go inside: clothes, 1 or 2 pairs of shoes, a few accessories, and a toiletry bag with all your liquids under that 1 quart limit. And don't forget your charger, travel documents, and that one item you refuse to leave behind. Maybe it's your favorite lipstick. Maybe it's a book you'll pretend to read on the beach. Either way, it has to fit. It's not a lot of space, but that's the challenge, and we're going to make it work. But we'll get into the exact pieces to pack a little later. So here's the truth. I used to overpack, like truly overpack, as if I was preparing for 5 different versions of the same trip, and somehow I'd still end up wearing the same 4 things the whole time. That's when I started trying capsule wardrobes. Not the perfect Pinterest kind, but the kind that actually work. Outfits that feel good in the heat, that layer when you need them to, and make sense whether you're walking through a city, sitting at dinner, or just trying not to melt under the sun. I made this one for women like us, who want to look nice, feel comfortable, and not drag 5 suitcases through cobblestones just to make it happen. Let's start with what you're wearing on the plane, because this is where smart packing really begins. I usually go for a comfy cardigan, something soft and cozy, but still polished enough to walk straight into a cafe after you land. It keeps you warm on the plane and works as your outer layer during the trip. On the bottom, I like wide leg pants or relaxed jeans. They're comfortable for a long flight, they look put together, and you can rewear them with multiple outfits throughout the trip. If it's going to be seriously hot, linen or a linen blend is ideal. They're breathable, loose, and just feel good in the heat. Underneath, I'll wear a simple tank top, something light, easy to layer, and useful again during the trip. Then there are the shoes, and this is non-negotiable. Wear your bulkiest pair, usually sneakers. They take up way too much space in a suitcase, so just wear them on the plane. Now let's talk accessories, because here's where you save even more space and elevate your outfit. So the number 1 accessory I bring on the plane is a scarf. If it's summer, I go for a silk version. It still protects my neck from that cold airplane air. And I almost forgot to mention the tote bag. It's your personal item and it should work hard, holding your essentials, maybe even your straw bag tucked inside, and anything you couldn't fit in your carry-on. Now, will this outfit be your most glamorous look? Maybe not. But it's strategic. You're wearing your heaviest, bulkiest, most versatile items. And that saves you a ton of space in your suitcase. And that's the goal. Travel light, pack smart, and make every piece count. Now that you've already bought yourself some extra space by wearing the bulkiest items on the plane, let's talk about what goes inside the suitcase. This is the full capsule. Everything fits in one carry-on, and you'll still have over 10 beautiful, wearable outfit combinations. We're not overpacking. We're building smart, tight, versatile, and travel-ready. Tops to pack: a classic white tee, lightweight, breathable, and crucially not see-through. You'll reach for it constantly. A striped tee, just enough detail to elevate any simple bottom from shorts to a midi skirt. A tank top or bodysuit, something you can wear solo on hot days or layer under shirts and jackets when needed. A linen or cotton button-down, this one earns its place. It's your beach cover-up, light jacket, dinner top, and layer all in one. And if space allows, a lightweight blazer. Yes, it might wrinkle, but it adds structure to dressier looks. A quick steam when you arrive, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about bottoms. One of them, of course, I wear on the plane. Usually the wide leg pants or relaxed jeans, depending on the destination. In the suitcase, I bring 3 more. A pair of linen shorts, either a soft pull-on style for beach days or something a bit more tailored if you're planning city walks or casual dinners. Denim shorts, I go for vintage blue or soft white. They're structured, they go with every top, and they give a slightly more styled feel. And finally, a midi skirt. Chic, feminine, and surprisingly versatile. It's easy to dress up or down, and it takes up almost no space at all. Let's talk about dresses. One simple day dress, like a white sundress, it does it all. A shirt dress, this one's multifunctional. Wear it as a dress, a beach cover-up, or open over shorts as a duster. Swimwear. One good one-piece swimsuit is enough. Pick one that's neutral and structured enough to also wear as a bodysuit with pants or skirt. You get double the use without taking up extra space. Shoes. No more than 2 or 3 pairs. White sneakers. You'll wear these on the plane. They're bulky, but they go with everything. 1 pair of flat neutral sandals. Comfortable enough for walking, polished enough for dinner. Optional, low-heel sandals if you're planning more dressed-up evenings, but only if you've minimized elsewhere. Bags, keep it simple but intentional. I already bring one on the plane. A large tote bag that doubles as my personal item. Then I pack one more. A soft straw bag that can work from day to night. It adds texture and personality to even the simplest outfit. Accessories. A straw hat, if it's foldable, pack it. If it's structured, wear it on the plane. A lightweight shawl. It'll save you on hot sunny days and instantly pulls an outfit together. Statement sunglasses. Both stylish and protective. Choose one neutral and, if you like, a bold color. Minimal jewelry. Just 1 or 2 pieces you love. A coin necklace, a pair of hoops, they'll make every outfit feel finished. If you'd like to see how I actually pack all of this into one carry-on in real life, let me know in the comments. I'm thinking of doing a full POV style video walking you through the packing process step by step. Now, here's a good dose of inspiration from real-life fashionistas and what's actually worn in the streets of Europe. This will serve as the perfect style inspiration, directly from real life. Oh, and before I forget, let me know where you're heading this summer and what's one travel piece you never leave home without. I love hearing your go-to favorites. So, how many outfits does this really give you? With this capsule, you'll have 10 plus outfits easily. More if you love to mix and match. You've got beach to dinner flexibility, casual sightseeing looks, and options that feel stylish even in 40-degree weather, all without overpacking. Now, let's take a look at how this plays out visually. But don't go just yet, you need to see this next video. It's all about how Europeans actually dress in hot weather. And I promise, it'll completely change the way you pack.